In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple focus key phrases in Yoast SEO. If you've been looking to enhance your SEO strategy and drive more organic traffic to your site, learning to use multiple focus key phrases with Yoast SEO can be a game changer. By broadening your keyword strategy, you can increase the visibility of your content and reach a wider audience, and Yoast SEO Premium makes this process seamless and intuitive. First things first, you need to ensure that you have the Yoast SEO Premium installed and activated on your WordPress site. The premium version is essential here because it allows you to add and analyze multiple focus key phrases, an option that's not available in the free version. If you haven't installed the premium plugin yet, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugins section, and follow the prompts to get Yoast SEO Premium up and running. Once Yoast SEO Premium is installed and activated, you're all set to begin optimizing your content. Open up the WordPress post or page you want to edit. In the editor, you'll notice the Yoast SEO meta box, typically located below the content area, or alternatively, you might see it as part of the sidebar if you're using the newer WordPress block editor. This tool is your hub for all things SEO related within your post or page. Begin by entering your primary focus key phrase in the designated field. The primary focus key phrase is the main term that best captures the topic of your post and is likely the phrase your audience will most often search for. It's important to choose this primary key phrase thoughtfully, since it becomes the anchor of your SEO analysis. Once you've determined your primary focus key phrase, it's time to strategically expand your reach. Look for the option that says plus add related key phrase just below your primary key phrase input box. Clicking here allows you to enter up to 4 additional key phrases. These related key phrases are terms that complement your primary key phrase and help capture variations in search queries. It's an excellent opportunity to rank for synonyms, related phrases, or long-tail keywords that might still drive significant traffic to your site. Each additional key phrase you add will receive its own analysis and feedback from Yoast. This feedback is invaluable, allowing you to optimize your content effectively for each key phrase. It provides insights into how well these key phrases are integrated into your text and offers tips on how to improve SEO placement, such as suggestions for keyword density or alterations to headings and subheadings. By optimizing for multiple key phrases, you're not just improving your chances of being discovered, but enhancing the overall quality and relevance of your content. And there you have it, a straightforward way to leverage Yoast SEO Premium to its fullest potential. Adding multiple focus key phrases can significantly impact your visibility, helping you to attract more visitors and achieve your goals on the web. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your content and boosting your site's performance.